In this 2026 update, it is easy to become cynical about the current era of disposable tech, products designed with planned obsolescence baked into their very circuits. But then you encounter something that stands apart, a tool built with a professional in mind. The EyeVac Air 2-in-1 HEPA air purifier and touchless vacuum is that exception, setting a new definitive professional standard. This is not just a gadget, it is a long-term value investment for your workspace. Leading with the most over-engineered specification, we discover its quiet standard, true HEPA H13 filtration. This is not merely an air filter, this is a precision instrument, capturing 99.7% of air pollutants, as small as 0.3 micrometers. For the Western professional, this eliminates the subtle, insidious drag of airborne irritants, saving you those critical 5 minutes of clear-minded focus on a busy Monday morning, preventing mental friction before it even begins. It is an immediate return on your investment in personal efficiency. Picking up this unit, you immediately feel a substantial presence. There is a satisfying heft to its construction, an undeniable density that speaks to professional-grade components within. There is zero unwanted flex. This is not the hollow plastic common in today's market. This is a tool designed to endure, crafted to prevent future errors by simply not failing. It effortlessly avoids the costly replacement cycle, a true joy of ownership in a world of flimsy alternatives. Now, as an engineer, I must point out a minor professional compromise. The main control panel, while robust and intuitive, is positioned for optimal utility in a fixed location, rather than for aesthetic integration into every conceivable room layout. It is a slight ergonomic consideration, but one that quickly becomes irrelevant once this system is integrated into your daily professional workflow. Its sheer performance makes any minor placement thought an afterthought. For a true product review, remember that Amazon prices on this professional-grade model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.